Hi fellas, and I have the Dewalt 20 volt max, the jigsaw jig DCS331, and yeah, it's a United States model, and it's really not common model in Europe. Yeah, but I'm preparing to go live to the United States, so it's time to get used to the United States models. And yeah, the problem with this one is that when you adjust the angle, it's just getting loose when you work, and it's of course it's not a big problem, you can fix it easily I think, but the bigger problem is that it's just not moving the rod, not moving the blade, and it's not cutting. For that we need to deassemble it all, and we can start doing that by removing the base. You can see the screws here, and it's a screw for tightening this, and that's how we can fix the problem of getting loose. I need a smaller bit. Yep, got it loose. And now I have the other screw here. Yep, here's the proper bit. It's a really simple way here how the tightening works and how you can adjust it. It's two screws here inside. One is for holding, another one is for tightening this one, and when you tighten it, when you're tightening the screw, yep, this one goes here, and when the screw is in a position, you just tighten it, and that's how you fixate the corner. And when it's getting loose, yeah, it's getting loose all the system. It's really simple, you just need to tighten it. Yeah, but for us now it's more important what's inside of the tool. Just removing the cover, and we can see the tool holder here. We can try to move it, and it's a bad because I have moved it really easily. Yeah. We need just to unscrew all the screws. I hope it's all screws. And we can see the sticker here. Just cutting it. And what we have inside, we have the DC motor, expensive DC motor, the Dewalt motor. For this Dewalt in Europe cost about 100 euros. And sometimes it's more, more than the tool cost itself. I will try to disconnect it. So 4 screws holding it to the gear housing, and I want to get rid of it. It will be easier for me. To inspect all the gear housing. And just taking it out. You can see the connector, we can check if it spins. Yeah, it spins. And what we have now? Now we have the winding, and when we spin it, we want that this rod to move up and down, and now it's not moving. That's a bad sign for us. And we will go deep inside it. Yeah, and what's next? What can we see here? The rod itself is healthy. Of course, it's stuck a little bit, so we need to inspect it. And where's the problem here? It just not spins. I will try to take out this part. Yeah, I need to remove this ring. Here's a holding ring. Just removing the holding ring. The washer. The wheel. And it was connected here with the two screwdrivers. I will try to take it out to show. Sorry, not screwdriver, screws. Yeah, and you can see that the screw left is here and other piece is here, and that's why they are not spinning together. You can get this result by overloading the tool, which of course is bad for the tool. I'm just cleaning it a little bit to check, and I will try to remove that screw. Yeah, I can remove it easily. Now how about the gear? And yep, now I need to remove the plate here. And now it will be good to remove the gear. Yep, the gear is removed, and we have screw, and one screw is missing here, and I cannot see it here. Maybe it was here. Yep, the screw is here. Found the missing screw, and there's the other part, like the screw head or something. Cannot see it. I want to find it somewhere. Of course, it can be that it was disassembled before and just left by that, but I don't want to believe it. Yep, got a screw head. That's good. Now we can try to put new screws here. Yep, we have the gear here. And yeah, so normally how they work in this position, I think. Nope. They work like this. Yep, like this, and when the screws is in, they are work as a one piece, and they are just spins around. When the screws is broken, they are done. Yep. And what can we make to do now? We can try to find the right screws for this ones. Getting the plate back. And yep, it's pin. Yep, now it's in place. This one is needed for the oscillating move, because when you spin it, you can see that this one push the pin down, up and down. Maybe it's a little hard to see it on a slow-mo, but it really works on that. Yep. And what now? Now I need to find the screws. Yep, I will pause the video to find the screws I need. And yep, I just got the screws to the length I need, and yeah, we can continue assembling this tool. Now we will get the screws in. Yep, tightened it really well. Yep, it spins. So one piece, and not put this one inside. Yep, so just releasing it. Yep, just holding it to tighten it good. Now it will be the flat washer, the holding ring. The bearing. The seal. Aligning this hole with a needle bearing here. If not, you can just break your tool, or of course it cannot not work properly. I will get it up. Just beware to put the seal in place. What I not did now. Yep. Now it fits, and we need to get some screws back here. And I think this screw will be here. fat. Okay, 2 long screws. And yep, I think they will go here. Maybe. This will go here. I hope. And there I put the last screw. Yep, I lost 1 screw. No, not lost it, sorry. It's here. Yeah, we have the gear housing assembled. The winding. Yep, now the winding is good. You can check if the rod is moving. Yeah, the rod is moving now. And it's a small button here. And where must be my little body. It just fell from somewhere. Strange part. Okay, just forget it. Now we need to align the motor gear with the winding. Yep, got it. Of course, tightening the screws back. And here goes the cover, the proud Dewalt sign on it. And yep, checking the wiring. The wiring is good here. We can close the housing. And there's my proper bit. Cannot find it. Yep, found it. Yep, and now we have our main problem that the customer told us is the angle holding. And now we need to put this one here. and we need to catch it with a screw here. Just tighten it, and you can see now that it works good. And if I release it, it's still not moves. Yeah, we need to get the right point of it. Yeah, now it moves. Now it still moves. We'll try to get it to the point. And it still moves. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. I'm just getting it by the testing it, and now it's not moving. And yep, now I can move it, and now I can't move it. Yep, now it's good. Getting back the guard, and yep, we have the good working jigsaw here. And as you can see, sometimes only a couple of screws can cause the big problem, can get too out of order. And yep, for now, just thank you for watching. Always appreciate your thumbs up and feedbacks, and of course subscriptions. And for now, just saying goodbye until my next video. So bye.